Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you Verizon Mobile Protect versus Applecare. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking to cover your iPhone here and you're deciding between Verizon's Mobile Protect and their Applecare, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So let's start with Verizon's Mobile Protect. Now, Verizon Mobile Protect here means prioritizing instant carrier convenience. Now, Verizon charges about $19 a month for a single premium line and outsources its claims processing to Australia. Now, their biggest selling point here is the sheer speed, as they can often drop a replacement phone directly to your doorstep the exact same day or send a technician to fix it in your home, which is honestly kind of cool. Now, they also offer a flat $0 deductibles for crack screen and back glass repairs. Now, however, if you completely lose your phone or it gets stolen, their full replacement deductible sits on the higher side at around $229. So you also have to keep in mind that their replacements are comparable models, meaning they are frequently rebuilt using aftermarket parts rather than pristine factory components. Now, on the other side here, shifting over to Applecare Plus with theft and loss, it gives you a plan directly from the source that focuses heavily on hardware quality and better individual pricing. Now, Apple's standalone plan sits at a cheaper $14 a month for a flagship phone or iPhone, while Apple does charge a small $29 fee for crack screen repairs compared to Verizon's free tier. So they completely beat the carrier on major loss or theft claims with much lower $149 deductible. So best of all, every single repair here or swap happens directly through an official Apple Store or authorized provider using 100% genuine parts. So keeping your phone's original warranty and ecosystem performance completely intact. Now, ultimately here, you should grab Verizon if you want to bundle an entire family account under a single multi-device plan. But you may want to stick with Applecare Plus for the cleaner monthly pricing, lower replacement deductibles, and authentic factory quality. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.